Blessing wawuzisela i-triple la. Bheka nje lo sisi uzosibonisa indlala la. Change the style. Sisi bheka uncedwa ikhala wena umubi too much wena. Ibhengekho ikhala.
Oh.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm here with
Ayanda.
So, and I'm gonna ask you to between these three guys, né? I'm gonna ask you to pass one, smash one, and diss one. We one we am diss. When you call you smash, when you pass, let's say it. Hi, mate. You know, it's really reason why you pass the other, why you think the other. It's simple as that.
Yeah. Sir.
Aha. Solana with that.
I pass.
What? Shoot a movie. You should do that cars, and what we have to say.
Shoes.
Yo.
What's my calling?
And this one.
Pass.
What might be there?
Kundube much.
What to Kundu?
Yo.
Huh?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Run.
Hey, pass.
Why?
Batanda bafana bathi amacici.
Oh, I think to 10. So you from our keeper?
Hayi kuba ngathi
Too much.
Yeah.
Okay. Between these three guys, né? I want you to smash one, then you pass one, the other one you diss. Mkwera. Between the three. And the multi pass must tell us the reason why you passed him. What smash, but let's tell the reason why smasher. I'm diss available, but dissing, and you must be honest, ne?
Okay.
Yeah.
Ngiyakhetha ukuthi ngeza abantu smasha bani.
Yeah.
Pasa bani. Kwera bani.
Yeah, really. Lama motherfucker.
No.
Pass me.
Pass.
Yeah.
Send love me.
Ayibuyi imala ngeke uyenze.
No man. Pass. Inkinga ngomfishane man. Mfishane.
Unifuna uthi njani yakhe?
Mina ngifuna indoda endeni mina ngifuna umuntu omfishane.
Oh, like behind the talk guys. No, that's the reason why umpasa nje because this shit.
Mfishane and qaqaqo sisithethe.
Yo.
Bese lo smash.
Bye.
Oh my God.
Smash. Okay.
Why smash?
Muhle.
Muhle. Scale of how much would you rate?
10 out of 10.
Out of 10.
Yeah.
Boy. What you think by emotion, boy? Okay. I will say the last. What you last with the best?
Oh, no.
What are you saying? What are you saying? What is he saying?
No.
Uthe ngimgwarani. Why now shama ngwazi ugwarani?
I said only like what's the channel for you? I'm sure that's only. Uzoroti so smashile, uroti so pasile, smashile or pass, so lano ya dis.
Okay. Mina shama ngazi. I can say that like.
Okay, I'm smash and I'm pass.
I'll pass.
Pass.
Why?
Why?
Ngithanda bafana. Abasdudla. I prefer tall dark.
Yes.
And then so, no. Makusdudla.
I was too.
Yeah.
Okay, so wanna like go to load the chain and it. But a room with guy.
Maybe 2 yana. It's
Two.
Yeah. Maybe 2 because like.
Donna.
2 then when maybe 3. Ay,
Ihambile ngoba.
2, 3.
Enye ihambile ngoba.
Sambe nawe la kumele wena. Need to fix your life.
Mabona mina FM lo ukuhamba naye ekhaya ikabi ngomshado.
Yo.
Nyana. Hey.
Oh my God.
3 guys. Camera. I want you to like smash one, pass one, then omunye wakhona uyadisa. Ngisho uyakwazi ukudisa. Yakwera. Between these 3 guys. And the more smasher, well, please tell us the reason why you do smashing. If you're a passer, still reason. Ngabasali. Ne? So night come. But yeah, my
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side.
Pass.
yeah,
Pass.
why?
Okay.
Oh no.
I like hayo like
In movie.
asul umubi
Yeah.
like
Tunkwambeli Mike.
I like nale
Oh yeah, it is not your type. Okay, Lana.
pass.
Why?
What tag?
Tattoos.
Like what's my like doing?
Come close. Shoes are moving.
Okay, pass.
Okay. Lana.
Smash.
Bega phela, smash. Why smash?
Sana bato kama
Oh, okay. Lana. I want to change my poet.
smash.
Smash, ne? Smash ways. Lana.
Smash.
Smash. Okay, my.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Afraid, do you have anything that you want to say?
Blessing wawusisela i-3 bheka nje lo uzosibonisa indlala la. Change the style. Sisibheka uncedwa ikhala wena umubi too much wena. Idengekho ikhala.
Oh, Emma Megan. Yo. Happy one.
Sister bo. Ya ngabheka uzosifezela indlala la. Uzosifezela indlala la.
Uthawu ufuna abantu abanjani?
Doda basungoni.
Donethele nebafithi sinkwa la ibox abo sicheap ucela imdonethele.
Ikhona ejim hambo.
Ngiyayazi khona ne my sister. Bheka ne my sister ngaphethe something la. Bamba so my sister. Bheka ngiyakuzama umlomo wakho
Wena umlomo ubawulwile mowe. Ubawulwile mlomo.
uyayisebenzisa icolgate.
Ngiyayisebenzisa.
Okay bamba so nginikeze present yakhe of the year.
What na present yakho?
Oh no.
No right type yami clock it those are cards.
Yo.
Come.
Right.
Oucha. So when I'm a guy, umurita ngathi like come here. How much do you rate it?
Maybe 4.
4. Ah, 4 is too much. Why?
It's too much. Maybe 3.
Eh? Ako uthathe ngetonto. Why?
Like unengqondo le like
Hey, abantwana.
yeah like
What na? How much would you
of 7.
7.
Yeah.
Why?
Ish. Awona majita papa.
Yeah, pap.
Straight.
Yeah, pap.
Papa
Ono
in
thini?
nature.
Huh?
Papa in nature.
Nature. That's your nature, wena. What do you want to?
Hey! Ay.
Papa wami. Say nature.
Again.
Wena. How much do you rate it?
7.
7. Where is the remaining 3?
Too much.
Khetha ngaphi?
Akashoti nga next fight mara 7. Too much.
Wena.
Wona mthachu mina
That's
mfethu.
why. What's the reason?
Akayideserve 3.
Why?
Akayideserve.
Why? What do you mean?
Akayideserve.
First reason, phela.
Angina reason.
Wena.
Yeah.
Ngiyayazi any
Ka.
One.
Ungangisabi, eh?
Ngiyeza 1.
Why one?
Ngisaqeda ukuyisho. Ngadla chlorets abe grand. Yeah, danko.
Wena ureta ngaki lo?
0.
Zero.
Hayi nyanya dlala ise.